Check my Phantom wallet out. $5.2 million all made from deving meme coins. Not by trading meme coins, not by gambling, just by deving meme coins on repeat. I'll show you exactly how I do it. Now, if you guys didn't know already, I used to be a trading fiend. I used to buy into hundreds of coins every single day. Sometimes I was profitable, but most of the time I lost all my money on these stupid rug pulls. Because every single time I bought in, I got rugged, dumped, or even worse, drained. And that's exactly when I realized the winners are not trading, they're actually deving. Because when you dev, you are in charge of the supply, the timing, and the complete chart. You also have nothing to lose as a dev because creation is free and dumping is free for money. And that's exactly why I completely switched from trading because I was losing too much money, I wasn't profitable, to deving coins. Okay, it's the best option in 2025. Believe me, you guys need to watch until the end. Now, before we move forward, you have to understand that this video is made for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so please don't replicate what I do. Obviously, I am capping. Now, first of all, you need to understand that deving and making coins on Pump.Fun does not work if you do not have an audience, okay? Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. It might look easy, but it's a graveyard. So many coins is flooding the site every single fucking second, and it's impossible to stand out without an audience or some type of community. And you don't even manage your own liquidity. So, for example, if I launch a coin and a couple people buy in and I'm up a couple $100, I cannot even fucking manage that money. I cannot remove it. I cannot cash it out because it's Pump.Fun that controls it, not you. Meaning, it's pointless to dev coins on Pump.Fun. And that's exactly why I switched completely to create tokens.io, because on this website, okay, all your coins will be launched on the Raydium DEX and it will be immediately migrated. So first of all, you skip the bonding curve bullshit that happens on Pump.Fun and you go directly to Raydium. Now, since it will be launched on the Raydium DEX, your coin will be viewed to thousands of potential fucking traders. You will get a lot of volume and you guys will see into this video how that looks. That's exactly why thousands of people use create tokens.io. Now, how do you even dev and launch a meme coin on create tokens.io? Now, let me tell you right now, there are two clean methods that works. Now, the first method is actually to make a coin from scratch. So I would highly recommend to go on a social media platform like X and look for something trending. It could be any narrative, just make sure it's funny, it's viral, just anything that can be turned into a meme coin. For example, has to when come from the okay, just anything, right? Let me find something decent. Like this is like suspicious, that could be good. 6.7 million views. After that, just invent a name, a symbol, and upload an image by screenshotting anything, and then just like that, your coin is made from scratch and it's live after a couple more steps. But the second method, it's my favorite one because it's my favorite shortcut and the one that makes me the most amounts of money, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now, all these coins here are all hot on Pump.Fun and they're all on this list right here. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch instantly to Raydium and it will be immediately migrated. And since the hype is already baked in, you will see instant buyers and way more profit from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins. It's honestly the most profitable. But anyways, let's stop dragging this out. I'm gonna launch a coin right now, copy it, and make some money. You guys will see how that works. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website because obviously that's common sense. Let me just disconnect it real quick. Select wallet, connect, and boom, it's automatically connected. And then click on refresh list and let's look for a coin to copy. Actually, fuck it, I'm gonna go for the Pay. It has a Telegram. Let me see how many members. Okay, it's a Telegram bot, that's not bad. It has a $70,000 market cap and it last by 5 seconds ago. This coin looks decent. In general, all these coins will potentially work because they're all viral. If it doesn't work, you can just move on to a next coin. Anyways, click on create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal, and then click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. We're just creating and adding liquidity into your token, which is what makes your token instantly tradable on Raydium for the public. It will show up right here in front of a bunch of people. Now, there are two simple steps. The first step is the amount token A. Just click on 90% and that's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. You are obviously keeping 10% into your wallet. Right under is for the amount token B. This is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing any funds here. They're just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana and you will get it back later when you remove the liquidity. So just think of this as your first buy. Obviously make sure you have enough in your wallet. I'm gonna put 0.35 Sol, but the thing that makes this page so special is that Pump.Fun doesn't give you the option to create the liquidity pool because they control it. Now click on create pool and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the telepay coin is now live, the pool ID is right here, and our P&L is at $0. And if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up $200. Now click on view on Photon to see the official chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view. Now it's live, let's go, we're already up a couple $100. Come on, $3, $60 right in my wallet, 1.5k in liquidity. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? So many people are buying in. Should I dump the coin? Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for the pump! Oh my god! Let's fucking go. This is the power of create tokens.io and Raydium! Let's go. Now, my bad for the ear raping, okay? Basically, I just want the coin to go up. I just want to hype it up. Now, guys, it should retrace soon because people are going to start selling and taking their profits, and it's going to go back up after. Now, bro, dude, it's literally the best money making method out here at the moment, because if it doesn't work, you can just try again and move on. Okay, like sometimes I only make $200. I'm like, fuck this shit, I'm making a new coin, and then it makes a couple $1,000s. I hope this coin goes to like at least like a $3,000 market cap or some shit, just enough to buy myself some food. Come on, pump. 2k in market cap, 1.2k in liquidity, things are looking good, $60, $74 sale. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. When I'm back, we're going to make some money. You guys will see. Okie dokie, guys, I am back. It looks like we're at the $3,000 market cap, 1.5k in liquidity. I think right now it's retracing, but it is gonna go up. Now it is doing higher highs and higher lows, so it is perfect. Okay, right now it's a perfect time to cash out money. So come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And now, as you guys can see, we are up $1.72,000 with a $3,000 market cap. Now, before it goes down, I'm going to click on the minus button, do 100%, click the red button right here. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount of Solana, click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dump a coin and make some bread. If I open the Phantom Wallet to see exactly how much we made, boom, $1,800 all in my Phantom Wallet, and it's all real, bro. No fucking capping.